Welcome to this deep dive into one of the most fascinating pillars of probability theory, the Poisson distribution. Named after the French mathematician Simeon Denis Poisson, this distribution is a mathematical powerhouse used to predict the unpredictable. Whether we are talking about the number of meteorites hitting Earth, the frequency of calls at a customer service center, or the arrival of packets in a global data network, the Poisson distribution is the silent architect behind the scenes. To understand the present, we must look at the past. In 1837, Simeon Denis Poisson published Recherches sur la probabilité des jugements. However, the distribution didn't gain fame until Ladislaus Bortkiewicz used it to analyze the number of soldiers in the Prussian army killed by horse kicks. This unusual dataset proved that even seemingly random, rare occurrences follow a strict mathematical rhythm. This laid the foundation for what we now call the law of rare events. Before we dive into the math, we must understand the three fundamental assumptions that make a process Poissonian. First, events must be independent. One horse kick doesn't make the next one more likely. Second, the average rate, denoted by the Greek letter lambda, must be constant over the observation period. Third, two events cannot happen at the exact same infinitesimal moment. When these conditions are met, we move from chaos to a predictable probability space. Let's look at the heart of the matter, the formula. The probability of observing exactly k events in a fixed interval is given by p of x equals k equals lambda k e to the negative lambda divided by k factorial. Here, lambda represents the expected number of occurrences. The constant e is Euler's number, approximately 2.718, and k factorial is the factorial of k. This elegant equation allows us to calculate the likelihood of outcomes ranging from 0 to infinity, even when we only know the average. One of the most remarkable properties of the Poisson distribution is its relationship with the binomial distribution. Imagine a binomial experiment with a massive number of trials n and a very tiny probability of success p. As n goes to infinity and p goes to 0, while the product n times p remains constant as lambda, the binomial distribution morphs into the Poisson distribution. This is why it is the go-to model for rare events in large populations. Let's visualize how lambda changes the shape of our world. When lambda is small, say 1 or 2, the distribution is heavily skewed to the right, meaning 0 or 1 events are very common. But as lambda increases, representing more frequent events, the distribution begins to look like a bell curve, approaching the normal distribution. This is a visual manifestation of the central limit theorem in action, showing the interconnectedness of all probability. In modern data science, the Poisson distribution is everywhere. It is the basis for Poisson regression used to predict count data. For instance, Amazon uses it to estimate inventory needs, and Netflix might use it to model the number of times a user clicks a movie in an hour. Even in finance, the arrival of shocks to the stock market is often modeled using Poisson processes, helping hedge funds manage the risks of black swan events. Another unique characteristic: in a Poisson distribution, the mean and the variance are identical. Both are equal to lambda. This is a very strict requirement. If we analyze data where the variance is much larger than the mean, we call it over-dispersion, and we might need a negative binomial model instead. This mathematical symmetry between the average and the spread makes the Poisson distribution one of the most efficient models in statistics. In conclusion, the Poisson distribution bridges the gap between total randomness and mathematical certainty. From the Prussian cavalry to the data centers of Silicon Valley, it remains our best tool for predicting how many rare things will happen in a crowded world. By mastering lambda, we gain the power to prepare for the unexpected. Thank you for exploring the foundations of probability with us. References: John E. Friend's Mathematical Statistics with Applications, Sheldon Ross, A First Course in Probability, Gujartai, Basic Economics for Poisson Regression Context.